Hello, welcome to Santuário Lunar. In this video I'm going to do the weekly tarot reading for the last week of December, the week of Yule, or if you are in the southern hemisphere, Litha, the summer solstice, very hot summer. Before we start, tell me how was your last week, your insights, your experiences, and also before we start, I'd like to talk about Bango's campaign. We are now at 22%. Thank you so much for helping me raise these funds for the expenses. I'll continue with the goal, although Bango is gone, because the bills continue here. So let's continue going, and then when you enter, you get a number, and I will give away several tarot readings. The first winner is going to get 12 private tarot readings, the second winner 6 tarot readings, and the third winner 3 tarot readings. So let's go share with your friends, and thank you so much. For this week, I have a rather complex reading. It's really complex. I usually talk about each card, right? And then everything makes sense. But in this reading is not that simple because one card changed the meaning of the other. The combination of them is really complex now. But let's start. In the past, I have the King of Swords reversed. And the King of Swords reversed indicates authority, but lost authority or an attempt to get authority and unable to do it. So this card has this meaning, but we can understand in different ways, in different aspects. And according to the combination here, it will be that somebody tried to have authority over you, or you try to have authority over somebody. Anyway, nobody made it. This authority was not obtained, and this led to some kind of frustration. For the week, I have the Six of Pentacles, which is an excellent card. It's a card of generosity, helping, supporting, sharing, funds, talents, creativity, joy, everything that is good to be shared with others. It's very fitting for the season. But with the King of Swords reversed, this lost or this authority that was not obtained, and the generosity card now, they may represent that somebody is going to try to offer you something in a generous way, but in order to control you or to get this authority over you. So it's a week to pay attention to this. Maybe a lot of people are going to share things with you, and they will share gifts and generous things and money and ideas and many other things. But one or more of these people, they may do this in order to control you somehow, in order to get this authority over you. So keep an eye open, because this is possible this week. And the last card, or the end of the week, is the Three of Swords, which you can see here is a heart pierced by 3 swords. It indicates a painful end of something, end of a relationship. It can be a love relationship, friendship, partnership, job partnership, or anything, but a relationship between 2 people or more. But this pain is not that painful, let's say like this. It's more for a relief than for suffering. So of course it will hurt, but in the end it will be, wow, thank you, it happened, it was necessary. So this week, pay attention to this, keep your eyes open, because people who may offer you things, who may come closer to you, closer than ever, and trying to offer you really, really good things, they may try to control you somehow. And this relationship tends to end this week too. If you are this person trying to offer help or trying to be generous to another person in order to control that person or to have some authority over them, be careful too. I say this because the advice card is the King of Pentacles reversed. And the King of Pentacles reversed suggests we need to be realistic. We need to be grounded. So if something looks too absurd, too incredible, too good, it's fake, probably. So if you see these, if you notice this during this week, this over generosity coming from someone, pay attention and don't get too excited. Maybe it's a trick to control you somehow, to get something from you. And don't be this person, please. This is it. Thank you so much for watching me. I hope you have a wonderful Yule, or if you are in the southern hemisphere like me, a wonderful Litha, our summer solstice with the highest temperatures ever. If you like my work here, please leave a comment below, subscribe my channel, give a thumbs up, support me on Ko-fi, and mainly share this video with other people who may also enjoy. Thank you so much.